Welcome back, comrades, to another video of DIY by NZ Guy. As you can hear, it's pissing down, it's late, but we've got work to do. So let's go back in. So after the flood, we cleared the corner. We had the fan running all through the night. Now the corner is mostly dry, and before the soil gets saturated and floods the garage again, I'm thinking, yep, just clear this cavity out as much as I can, clean up the dirt and fill it up with Ripset Better water plug. I had to buy another bucket full. Cost me another 50 New Zealand rubles, but yeah, since we're knee deep in this, we'll double down and get the job done properly. So stick around. I'm gonna skip the boring bits and I'll just show you the results, because I got limited time before I start swimming. Alright, see you guys soon. After some vigorous cleaning, we got the edge prepped. Due to things in the way, I can't go too far at the moment, but I don't have time for the whole job. There's paint on the floor. I think that's what they were trying to do. Stop the water vapor from seeping in. Terrible job. The paint's just coming off. So yeah, it's time to get out our good old hydraulic cement and get to work. Sealing is done. Only took 2 batches. Few rough spots, but it should be enough. I do have a little bit of time, so I want to get into this corner here. So stay tuned. So cleaning is done, and just a side note, this little handy tool does a great job. It cleans the bottom part and the upper part, and then you just go deeper with a smaller one, and it does a great job. So let's get this area wet and put some cement in. Just another side note, I found that making a first batch nice and runny really helps with filling up all the little gaps, and then making a thicker one just to go over it. So keep in mind. So that's the work done for today. I don't see any seepage yet. I hope God it doesn't leak, because it's just so much headache. But all in all, I can say that with the rain and the cold weather, I would say temperature drop maybe 2 or 3 degrees, and the water plug, it takes about 3 to 4 minutes before it starts to set and becomes unworkable. So quite a significant improvement. So if you're gonna do it and you need extra time to do it while it's cold. I think when it's warm, it just chemically sets, and then you can't do anything. Alright, thanks guys for watching. I'll leave this video at this. and I'll continue on tomorrow. See you guys soon.